But unfortunately, they operate more strongly in the Chinese market, so it's a bit limited. Here in Europe, you can still find them like this one, and you can find some other devices that are global versions, but their focus on brand promotion and marketing isn't here at all. It's really more focused on the Chinese market. And guys, unfortunately, I won't have a purchase link for those of you in Brazil to buy a device like this, okay? No link available, but I already paid for it converted in Europe. The official store is legit and everything is regularized, so no worries. That's equivalent to about 1,000 reais. Man, this device is delivering a lot. It blows away, really blows away all the devices you can find in Brazil for around 1,000 reais. It just blows them away. Let's start our unboxing and initial review, sharing first impressions of the Nubia Air launch. Let's watch the video. Starting the unboxing, any similarity to the iPhone Air isn't a coincidence. They literally copied everything, not just the product box, the packaging, the way it's presented here, but the product itself. The design is also very similar to the iPhone Air, a white and blue box with the profile model highlighted and the device name in red. On the side, we have its main features as well as the International Mobile Equipment Identity Codes and the product version. Opening the box, we immediately see the smartphone. Below that, there's an acrylic case, plastic film, and a small key. A quick start manual ejector, certificates, and a USB Type-C charging and data transfer cable with Type-C on both ends. And as you know, the version sold here in Europe doesn't come with a charger in the box, but it does support charging up to 33 watts of power. Now, with the device already in hand and fully set up, check out these settings. You're going to freak out, man. We have a 6.7 8-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a maximum brightness of 4500 nits, a truly beautiful screen. In addition to having protection, Gorilla Glass 7i, it's a super durable screen. It has an excellent grip, is very thin and light at 172 grams and 6.7 millimeters thick. This beige gold color looks good, even if it's a clear iPhone copy. Still, it deserves some credit. On the right are the volume and power buttons. The top has a microphone and a noise-canceling mic. The left side is smooth with nothing on it, and the bottom has a microphone. There's a tray for 2 nano SIM cards, a USB Type-C port, and a speaker output. Let's talk about artificial intelligence because it comes with Nubia AI. We have privacy stickers, a real-time in-person translator feature, phone call translator, and we also have native photo erasing functions. The device, already performing well, has a 5000 mAh battery in this slim build. Look how amazing this is. It's impressive with incredible performance. It lasts all day effortlessly and you can use it easily without needing to charge. Next, let's test its processor. The Unisoc T8300 with 6 nanometers scored 573,000 points on Antutu, a very good score, heating up to 36.1 degrees and losing 5% battery. Let's play some Asphalt Legends gameplay with max graphics so you can see the visuals. Everything is maxed out, it runs well, runs smoothly, but the graphics aren't that detailed. Guys, it's a good processor. Don't expect extreme performance, but it handles everything smoothly. In fact, it's a processor that's going to outperform, like I said at the beginning of the video, here, in many smartphones costing $1,000, $1,100, $1,200 $1,200 in Brazil, but it's going to outperform them. It's a much better processor, it'll run just fine. Of course, as I said, as long as you don't use very heavy graphics or really demanding apps, you can't expect too much from it, but this processor will handle your daily needs well. This device is certified IP68 and IP69K. Guys, it resists high-pressure water jets in depths to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Guys, every minute that goes by, this device surprises me. Another really good certification for this device, for this price range. It's amazing. As for the operating system, we have MyOS 15 running with Android 15 on the device. It also comes with near-field communication connectivity for making contactless payments. The fingerprint and facial unlock features work very well. Check out the on-screen fingerprint unlock. I'm really impressed with this device. It surprised me. There's only one version, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, which is what I have. It has slots for 2 nano SIM cards with 5G, but doesn't support memory expansion or that connection. And yes, now let's go to its audio and video test. Let's go, guys. Audio and video test here with the Nubia Air. Advanced quality 2160p. Let's set brightness to maximum and turn off auto brightness. Open the screen, use pinch to zoom, and set the volume to maximum. There you go, guys. Really beautiful screen, man. Mono audio. Guys, this AMOLED screen of his is beautiful, a spectacle. Did you see in the video I showed you, man? The resolution is really good. The colors are very intense, very vibrant, really beautiful colors. For this device, the audio, even though it's mono, is good and quite satisfying too. But the screen in particular really caught my attention. The screen is really beautiful. Let's discuss the cameras. The front has a 20 megapixel camera that records 1080p full high definition at 30 FPS. Let's view front camera photos and videos. And now here, guys, the front camera of Nubia Air at maximum resolution, full high definition, 1080p 30 FPS. Turning around for you guys here, let's walk a bit. Let's see if we can find some shade. We won't have high dynamic range or stabilization here. But just so you guys can see a little bit there, you see that it shakes a little here, even holding it with my hand. The image wobbles a bit, and now let's see. Here, catching the covered part. All white there, let's go out. Here are the clouds over there, and now for me, here it focuses on me and it gets white over there. Another good image quality. A nice balance of colors here. It's not too whitish, it's not too yellow either. It's a nice balance. Good, I liked it. Let's see later when I transfer it to the computer, but that's it. Front camera of the Nubia Air, guys. It's a basic front camera, nothing special. It's not like you'll find any exceptional or amazing extra feature, right? Basic cameras provide only the essentials you need. I like the color balance and resolution. The cameras seem cool. Comment below. What do you think of its front camera? Now let's go to the back part, which has 3 cameras, a main one with 50 megapixels, a second one with 2 megapixels for blur, and a third one which is a 3D time of flight sensor. All of this records at a maximum resolution of full high definition, also at only 30 FPS. Unfortunately, but let's go ahead and show photos and videos taken with the rear cameras, and we'll be right back to wrap up the video. Nubia Air rear camera, video at 1080p, full high definition 30 FPS up to 10x zoom. Take a look, see it jumps a lot there, it's not that smooth transition. Now going back, maximum zoom of 10x, now 1x, and there you have it, see? Let's walk here to check the stabilization quality. It actually stabilizes well, holds up very good, full high definition 31080p. Wow, awesome, really good. Excellent stabilization for a device in this price range at this value. The image is beautiful with nice colors. I liked it. Awesome, guys. I'll say it again. These are very basic cameras. I don't know what you guys thought about the rear cameras on the device. I found them basic, simple, but they'll serve you really well for your daily use, your everyday tasks. No problem. Photos and videos will work fine. Nothing special or extra features, right? Great! But nothing sets it apart from similarly priced competitors. They're just basic cameras, okay? Share your thoughts on its rear cameras below. Now, let's move to my final summary and positive points. Starting with the battery, which is really good. Its weight, the device is very light and also very thin. Its thickness, IPMA8 and IPMA 9K certification. Its active matrix organic light emitting diode screen is stunning. It also has near field communication for contactless payments and 5G connectivity, both great features. A standout feature at this price. And most importantly, the device is very cheap for what it offers. It really is, you can believe it. And as for the negative points, if we can put it that way, it's the cameras. They're basic cameras. Okay, but they're totally in line with the price range of the device. Nothing more than that. They're basic, good cameras, but pretty average, matching the price of the device. But anyway, comment down below what you thought of the smartphone, whether you liked it or not. Is it worth 1,000 rays or not? I think it's definitely worth it. Leave a comment here because I want to know your opinion. And before you go, don't forget to leave your like. If you didn't do it at the beginning, check your subscription to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And if you can share it, that would really help. That's it. We're in this together. Thank you all. God bless. Big hug and see you next time. Thanks. I'm out.